Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com and Santarelli Trading Exchange. Hope everyone's starting off their Tuesday really nicely here. The futures are looking good. Markets are popping. And let's get started for the day here. So as you guys can see, first off, I want you to go down to your app store. Totally free. Download Breaking Chart Alerts app. You're going to get instant notifications on any type of breaking news, any type of new trades, trade ideas. It's all going to be in your pockets for free. So go download that. And then if you have a membership, you could log in and see additional features there. It's totally free. Go do that. Once you do that, guys, please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Click like and click the bell to get notified once we post some new video, new content, or once we go live there. All right, so let's start off the morning by going over the top news this morning here. So, as you guys know, we like to take a look at the Bloomberg 5 things to start your day with as one of our top things. So, number one here, Omicron cases, inflation worries, and OPEC meets. So, record, the U.S. reported 1 million COVID cases on Monday as Omicron variant continues to run rampant. There is an increasingly solid evidence that the new strain causes less severe interactions, with data suggesting hospitalization numbers and decoupled from infections. The risk to the economy continues to be worker absences and government measures to control the spread. Analysts are warning that China, sticking to its COVID zero strategy amid the spread of the virulent strain, will lead to continued supply chain problems for this year. And that's the number one worry there, is about inflation continuing to remain a problem in 2022. Now, taking a position, yesterday's moves in the Treasury market, which saw the 10-year benchmark record its worst start to the year since 2009, seem to be indicating that traders don't see the end of inflationary pressures anytime soon. Market pricing now suggests Federal Reserve rate liftoff as soon as May. Think about that, guys. You know, interest rates are going to be rising here again in May. What do you think that's going to do to the markets here? That's why I'm liking financials a bit here. But take a look. Market pricing now suggests Federal Reserve rate liftoff as soon as May, with a tight labor market possibly exacerbating cost increases. With the 10-year yield holding over 1.63 this morning, investors will be keeping a close eye on incoming data such as today's job openings numbers and Friday's payroll reports. Supplies. One of the biggest short-term drivers of inflation is energy costs. We've been talking about this. I even made a post a couple of weeks ago about energy coming off the bottom there with Omicron. They said that was, dying down. It wasn't as bad as they were expecting. So I said, guys, make sure you expect oil to start to climb here. And boy, did it climb, and it's still climbing here in the pre-market hours. So as you guys could see there, one of the biggest short-term drivers of inflation is energy cost. So there will be more attention on today's OPEC meeting. Crude posted its biggest annual price gain since 2009 last year and is trading above $76.50 a barrel this morning. So it is little wonder that delegates are on track to ratify a 400,000 barrel per day production increase today. Yesterday, the OPEC Joint Technical Committee cut its estimate for the global crude surplus in the first 3 months of 2022 by 25%, saying it sees the impact for Omicron as mild to short-lived. The possible increase in output comes as producers are showing signs they are struggling to meet quotas. Markets rise. Global equities are extending the strong start to the year, with some markets playing catch-up this morning after yesterday's holiday. Overnight, the MSCI Asia Pacific Index added 0.9%, while Japan's Topix Index closed 1.9% higher as yen dropped to the weakest level against the dollar in 5 years. In Europe, the Stoxx 600 Index gained 0.8% by 5:50 a.m. Eastern Time, with travel companies the best performers. S&P futures pointed to plenty of green at the open. Bitcoin and gold also on the rise. Coming up today, U.S. December ISM manufacturing data is at 10 a.m. With November JOLTS job openings. Numbers also at that time. Auto sales data for December is expected to show the continued effects of semiconductor chip shortages on production. Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis President Neil Kashkari speaks later. Miller Knoll and Smart Global Holdings report results later on today. So that's going to be one of the big ones. Yesterday, we also went over semiconductors. So there's new reports out from Bloomberg and some from Thomson Reuters that are saying that the semiconductor is going to be the new gold sector here for 2022. So as I'm saying that, you guys could be looking at AMD and NVIDIA on the charts here in the pre-market hours, which are continuing an insane climb here, up over 1% here in the pre-market hours on a lot of the chips and the semiconductors here. And I also like the financials here. So let's move on here, get to the next one, which is going to be the top market movers here. Start your day. And let's take a look. Again, I think I'm going to get something out of here because Benzinga's been just showing a lot of penny stocks here on gainers and losers here, and I'm not a fan of those penny stocks there. So as you guys could see there, Elena Pharmaceuticals, I remember seeing that one up there a few times, but really nothing on there that interests me there today. As far as the losers go, you guys could see there, top loser there is AvroBio there, down about 16%. It's a $3 stock. Nothing I'm really worried about there. I'm not watching anything on that list. All right, let's get to the next one here. And here we go. Now there's a few nice things coming up on the upgrades, downgrades, initiations, and the price target changes today. So let's take a look at the upgrades. Obviously, you guys could see here, Forward Air on the top there. Followed by a couple of good ones. Coca-Cola currently trading at $59.30 a share. Guggenheim upgraded that from a neutral to a buy rating and has their price target set at $66 per share, which is about an 11% upside from here. General Electric just got an upgrade from Credit Suisse here from a neutral to an outperform rating. General Electric shares trading at $96.22. It was upgraded to $122 a share by Credit Suisse there. Another one, some of the energy sectors here. You're seeing BP Petroleum there currently trading at $27.37 a share. That was upgraded from inline to outperform rating there with a price target of $36, which is about a 31% upside from here. You guys could see down there, Under Armour had a big upgrade today. So take a look at this, guys. You guys know we've been talking about Under Armour. We've been talking about Nike for a while. Under Armour is currently trading at $21.24 a share. It just got a upgrade here from Baird from a neutral to an outperform rating with a price target of $32. That's almost 51% upside from here. So I'm going to be looking at Under Armour for a possible leap or a long-term call there going into the summertime. Another one coming up there in the energy sector is Halliburton, currently trading at $23.98 a share, upgraded by Morgan Stanley from an equal weight to an overweight with a $30 price target, which is about 25% upside from here. Hewlett Packard, someone in the trade room was talking about that yesterday or the day before there. Hewlett Packard at $16.15 a share was upgraded by Barclays from equal weight to overweight from a $16 to a $20 target. And that's a nice one right there. Warner Music Group, $42.95 a share, upgraded by Jefferies from $41 to $50, hold to buy rating. And then we have Stryker down there as well there. You guys could see Stryker, $268.41. They make all the medical equipment there for the hospitals. You guys could see Piper Sandler upgraded that from $250 a share to $315, upgraded from neutral to overweight, which is about a 17% upside from there. So those are the ones we want to look at today. Coca-Cola, General Electric, BP, Under Armour, Halliburton, Hewlett Packard, Warner Brothers, and Stryker. Now let's take a look at the downgrades here. You can see JP Morgan was actually downgraded this morning, but that thing's on fire this morning, which we'll be looking at in a minute here. That was a downgrade. Foot Locker was downgraded from a neutral to underweight there from a $60 to a $42 target, which is 6% lower from where it's at. Pinterest had an upgrade from Guggenheim today. They upgraded So Guggenheim there, they changed their price target rating from 46 down to 39, which is still about 7% upside from where Pinterest shares are trading now, downgraded from buy to neutral there. And then if we go down a little bit more there, you could see Let's see here. I was going to say WWW, Wolverine Worldwide there, but not one we really keep an eye on too much there. But on to the next one. We got some good initiations here today. You guys could see yesterday we were going over new holdings. Currently trading at $9.99 a share. Was upgraded by JP Morgan to $10 there. These guys are really geniuses there. The stock's at $9.99 there, Phil, and JP Morgan just came out and upgraded it to $10. 1 penny upside there. These guys are getting paid really good for that. All right, so we'll go down there. You guys could see Match Group, currently trading at $134.23 a share. And that was initiation there of an outperform rating by Wolf Research, which is about a 21% upside from now. So if you guys are making your watch list, put Match down. Put new down, new holdings, NU, MTCH. Zillow Group, that's another one let's start keeping an eye on because Zillow pulled way back after they bought all those houses and, had a money crunch there for a while. So $61.93 on Zillow. Wolf Research initiates a peer perform with a $75 price target, which is about 21% upside from here. Cisco, another one here. That's one that they were worried. Cisco delivers all the food to the schools and everything and universities. That one pulled back significantly because they thought everything was going to be going virtual again. So now they put the initiation because school lunches, everything's back in effect now. So that was a worry about why Cisco was going to pull back. And now you see that initiation. Analysts are saying, hey, you know what? This Omicron variant isn't as bad, so let's put an initiation with a buy rating on Cisco. So that's what you're seeing right there. Going down a little bit more there, you can see Pinterest, another one on Pinterest and Riot Blockchain. Pinterest, Wolf Research initiates a peer perform $45 price target, which is about 24% upside from here. And you can see down there global payments. That's another one, $141.69. You had an initiation by Loot Capital of $180 price target with a buy rating, which is about 27% upside from here. And then blockchain. That's the last one I wanted to show you there in the middle of the screen. Riot Blockchain, currently trading at $22.74 a share. Cantor Fitzgerald initiates an overweight on that $45 price target, which is about 98% upside from there. And then up top there, you can see iSpecimen, currently trading at $8 a share. Craig Holloman initiates a buy rating, $20 price target on that, which is about 148% upside from here. So that's the initiations. We finally got some good upgrades and initiations to look at. So now let's take a look at price changes. So you can see Barclays raised the price target on Hewlett-Packard Company from $16 to $20. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise shares gain 2.5% to $16.55 in pre-market trading there. You could see Marvel Technology. They boosted the price target from $100 to $115. Stock's currently trading at $90.33 there. We go down a little bit more there. You can see Warner Music Group. Jefferies boosted Warner Music Group from $41 to $50. Warner fell 2.2% in pre-market trading to $42 a share. And there's another one there. Piper Sandler cut the price target of Medtronic from $152 to $110. Stock currently at $105.44 in pre-market trading. And Stryker, Piper Sandler lifted Stryker price target from $250 to $315. Shares rose 1.4% to $272.04 in pre-market trading. All righty, here's what to watch now for the day here as well. So let's get started with that. So first off here, as you guys can see, Wall Street Bets, top 5 there. You could be looking at Tesla, Apple, NVIDIA, GameStop, Microsoft. Ford is up big there. That's number 6 on their list. But Ford is up another 3-4% today in pre-market hours. So keep that on your watch list. Apple, NVIDIA, GameStop, Microsoft, Ford, and Tesla. And AMD there too. All right, so next one here, guys. So I wanted to show you this chart. Look at the chart on the left here, JP Morgan. So we made this trade yesterday. I like the setup there. We had the first candle trading above that 10, 20-day simple moving average. At the bottom of the screen there, you can see the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD, already had the crossover, and we already started seeing the green bars above the zero line on the histogram of the MACD, showing some signs of momentum, volume, and a breakout happening here. So we got a nice breakout there there on JP Morgan yesterday. We ended up picking up the JP Morgan January 7th weekly 165 calls at only 22 cents a contract there. Our target was 165 to 167.50. You can see what the stock was trading at when we jumped in. Stop was very well defined there. And now take a look at this morning now, what this chart is doing here today. JP Morgan up another 1.5% here in the pre-market hours. Another continued breakout, breaking above that red 50-day simple moving average there, continuing that run. So I'm expecting some really nice gains on JP Morgan today. I like that setup. Now down below there, I want you guys to see the watch list before we get off here. You guys could see down at the watch list, the scrolling thing at the bottom there. Ford, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Nike, PayPal, NVIDIA, Advanced Micro Devices, Goldman Sachs, Under Armour. These are the stocks I want you guys to be watching today, because these are the ones that are coming up on my scanners, on my watch list there, and they're having the biggest movers in the pre-market. Also, energy stocks, ExxonMobil, Chevron continuing to climb there. So keep these on your watch list. The kids are back in school, so we are back in full motion here, guys. So that's how you get started for your day. And remember, like I said, go to the App Store, download Breaking Chart Alerts. You're going to get instant notifications on any type of breaking news that's coming through. And, if we make some trades, some trade ideas, have any articles, any videos, lessons, we're going to post it. You're going to be able to click on that notification from our app, and it's going to take you right to the site for that new content. So if you guys enjoyed this pre-market video, please go right down below there, click subscribe, click like, and click that bell to get notified every time we go live or post some new content. That would greatly help, and I'd appreciate that. And I'll be seeing you guys live in the trade room shortly. Have a great start to the day, guys, and let's make some money today. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the trade room.